Hi everyone. Just thought we'd do a quick little balance this morning. Hasn't it been fantastic with all of the freedom rallies around the world? You know, we had a great one here in Brisbane, and I did a video last night, but I listened to it this morning and I decided not to upload that. My words were a bit all over the shop. So, but it's because it's been such a big few days and I'm so excited, and you know, it feels like the tide is turning, that potentially, some of our freedoms might be returned at some stage, which, you know, fingers crossed. So that's where we're at. And so I think this morning, because I was just, when you start getting into chatting to different people about different things that are important to them, I think a lot of people, because of everything going on the planet, are really working out what's important to them and going within and working out what makes our hearts sing, what makes our soul vibrate with love and grace and joy. So what is it for you? What is it for you? Okay, part two.